going to show you how to make a chaser object that chases you, and I'm going to put the flow graph on there, and you can put random speed and random time on there if you want. So this is a demonstration. You can also change the waypoints as well. You can see the camera is going to move, choose the camera at different speeds. Okay. So first, you need to start move to make sure it continuously catches up to you. And you want, for bolt, you want programmer naming because this could confuse, so you want the game object. Transform. And then get it and expose it and get the position of it. Expose the vector 3, make a new vector, and set the variables for the scene. That's going to be your waypoint 0 vector. So that's going to be your character, the one that's being chased, and you want another, that's a game object. So you're going to drag, this from the scene variable, and you're going to plug it into there. Then you're going to just create an empty vector, and you want to get the variable, and you want to, again, game object transform. And if it's human naming, it will give you something else, and that's why you want to keep a programmer naming. Expose the transform and set it, and then that empty vector, you're going to get it and then set the position to that. And you're going to need a game object for the character too. So in my case, like a main camera, the one that's being chased, is right there. You're going to get it and set it, get the transform. Same thing with the chaser, same deal. And your character is going to be waypoint 1. So it doesn't matter where these waypoints are because they're going to change based on the position. Character is going to be waypoint 1, that's going to be waypoint 0. Here's a quick look. Random speed, random time. I'll just put that in there. That's in another tutorial. But you can use that and have it chase random speeds and random time. So if you wanted to do something like, I used it for like a football scene. So if you wanted it to chase something random, chase random waypoints that you set, you need the position of all of them, and you need one variable, one integer variable, and one integer random range, and it's going to run into update, and it's going to do this one time, and then after like a timer elapses, you're going to reset that once, but it's going to feed an integer in there to set. You're going to get it, and it's going to say if this is equal to this, you're going to need a couple equal nodes and a couple branch nodes. You're going to say if it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. If any of those are true, and all these are fed into update, then transform to the position you want to set. So it's the same deal as getting the transforms of our other ones, but we're just going to get the variable of whatever they're chasing. It's going to say go there. So same deal as what we were doing before. But you can see just more. And this is how you select for them. So it's like a roulette, or which number do you land on? This happens if you land on this number. This happens if you land on that number. You go to this one. You go to that one. So like this football is being thrown to waypoint 1 after so-and-so amount of time. And waypoint 1 is changing to any of these, I guess, wide receivers, right? In quotation marks, if you want to call them that. And waypoint 1 is changing. Now it's changed to that one.